Evaluate 3 plus 1 and 7/8. Whenever adding a whole number to a mixed number, I like to turn everything into improper fractions. Now, if you're looking at 3 and saying 3 is not even a fraction, sure it is. 3 over 1. Now, how do I turn 1 and 7/8 into an improper fraction? Multiply the whole number that lives out in front to the denominator. So 1 times 8 is 8. Take that 8 and add it to the numerator. 8 plus 7 is 15. That becomes your new numerator, and your old denominator stays the same at 8. Now we have improper fractions, but the issue with one of them is that this denominator and that denominator are not the same. Oh, but you know what? Since that's 1, all I have to do is multiply u by 8 to make it the same denominator. If I'm going to multiply the denominator by 8, I have to multiply the numerator by 8 as well. So 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 1 is 8. We're going to add 15 plus 8. Now, when adding fractions of the same denominator, you just add the numbers in the numerator. 24 plus 15 is 39. 8, your denominator, stays the same. Now, how do I turn that back into a mixed number? Well, do long division and find out how many times 8 goes into 39. Well, 8 goes into 39 4 times. 4 times 8 is 32. Now we subtract. 39 minus 32 is 7. With no more numbers to drop down, 7 becomes our remainder. So my answer is going to be 4, your quotient, that becomes your whole number. 7, your remainder, becomes your numerator, and 8, your denominator, is still your denominator. So we end up with 4 and 7/8. Now there's also a shortcut here. When you add a whole number to a mixed number, when you add them, there's a little bit of a shortcut and a little bit of a lazy way to do it. Take your whole number, which is 3, and your whole number, which is 1, add those together, that becomes 4. Take the fraction that's there and just attach it. And so, yeah, a little bit faster way of doing it. Now, why don't I always do it like this? Because when you do subtraction, it doesn't always follow the same rules if things are not the order you want them to be. So I wanted to show you the long way of doing it, but if you notice that they're being added together, there is a shortcut, and that's the shortcut.